Final call now for your bets. Last call to place your bets. We're only waiting for Apple. Deuce up and race number 1 will be ready in just a short while. Apple, deuce up. Now being loaded, set, ready for racing. Race number 1. Racing just is started. We have Gorgeous Chelsea. Break with Little Start Sharp as ever. Dream of Mine, Classic Play. The next online is Proud Papa. In between horses, Mayday, Cats, Regal, Apple, Deuce Up. All too well is down on the inside. The next online is Apple. So enduring El Mundo. Then followed now by number 9, and this one is Naga, while Real Talk is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch. We have Sharp as ever says, why we follow deep, we can take the lead in the early part of the race, enjoying a length and a half lead. And in second is Classic Play, moving up on the outside now is Mayday. Down on the inside is Dream of Mine, Cats, Regal, so enduring. Rushing up on the outside is Apple, Deuce Up, Proud Papa, El Mundo. Then comes Gorgeous Chelsea. Apple comes next, then next online, All Too Well. Naga second last, while Real Talk is still racing in 14th, and Diana entering the home stretch. We have Short as ever by about 2 lengths, moving up on the outside. Apple, Deuce Up, down on the inside, so enduring. El Mundo comes next. Last 100 meters, we have Short as ever, so enduring now, moving up on the outside to take the lead. And finally, it's so enduring, Sharp as ever. Apple, Deuce Up, El Mundo, Gorgeous Chelsea, and Apo for your Super 6.
Only the... Uy. Aha. Alyamado rin. Alyamado rin. No? Inabot niya yung Dehadon 3 eh. Dehadon na kasi yung Bumanderan 3 all the way. And in the last 50 meters, dito na lumabag itong eventual unofficial winner natin. So endearing.